Tonight, firefighters are still battling multiple wildfires in Los Angeles County as the threat of expanding into surrounding counties increases. The fires have burned about 60 square miles, which is bigger than Kenner, Metairie, Slidell, and Gretna combined. 11 people are dead and 12,000 buildings, including homes and businesses, are completely destroyed, leaving many residents without homes. And the fire response has stirred up some political tension. Some fire victims are outraged at how the city responded to the fires. The Los Angeles mayor has faced some criticism, and President-elect Donald Trump has taken aim at California Governor Gavin Newsom, who he's had some clashes with in the past. CBS's Tom Hansen has more.
As LA firefighters battle intensifying flames, Democratic officials are facing heated criticism from residents.
The chief and I are lockstep in our #1 mission. And that mission is to get us past this emergency right now.
Today, Mayor Karen Bass and Fire Chief Kristen Crowley presented a unified front at a press briefing, following reports the mayor had dismissed the chief over her complaints of insufficient resources.
How can Angelenos be sure that you two are on the same page when everyone is facing this historic and unprecedented crisis?
We have one mission, and that is going to be our sole focus. Now, prior to this, the chief and I have always been in regular communication, and we will continue to do that.
But during an earlier interview, the fire chief appeared frustrated in her department's ability to fight fires after a more than $17 million budget cut last year.
We are screaming to be properly funded to make sure that our firefighters can do their jobs so that we can serve the community that we took an oath.
Governor Gavin Newsom is also facing questions over the response. On Friday, he ordered an investigation into why a 117 million gallon reservoir in the Pacific Palisades was out of service and the loss of water pressure to some fire hydrants, calling it deeply troubling.
Why was there no water in the hydrants, Governor?
That's all literally.
Is it going to be different next time?
It has to be.
I would fill up the hydrants myself.
I would. I understand.
But would you do that?
I would do whatever I can.
But you're not.
For the moment, Mayor Bass wants to stay focused on the fires.
When the fires are out, make no mistake, we will have a full accounting of what worked and especially what did not.
California Governor Gavin Newsom has responded to the criticism he's receiving, posting on X today that California has not cut funding for the firefighting budget, and the state has built the world's largest aerial firefighting fleet. The cost of damages from the fires is now reaching into the billions, meaning it could be the costliest wildfire in California's history.